This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. Okay. So we will be starting with our next topic, that is equipment installation. Okay. So we sell the product to the customer, and then customer asks us to send the technician for the installation. Installation. So that process we are covering today. Okay. So the topics that we are going to cover, they are equipment installation process overview, create service notification. Okay. Then different notification types. We will understand in detail about notification types, notification structure, how the notification structure looks like. Then we will create a sales order from a notification, from that notification. Okay. Then service product overview. What is service product? We will understand. I will show you in the system. Then billing for the sales order. Okay. And then assignment of equipment to the functional location. After it is installed, the equipment will be assigned to the installed at the functional location. How to do that? We will see. And finally, closure of the notification. Closure of the notification. So these are the topics we will be covering in the equipment installation process. Okay. So basically, first we will understand the process, equipment installation process over here. I'll give you the scenario. Okay. We sell a product to the customer. Okay. And then customer receives the product. Okay. I'll put it in the notepad file just for understanding purpose. The scenario is product is sold to customer. Sold to customer. Customer received the product. Customer received product, received the product. Then he make a phone call. He makes a phone call to customer care to send technician for installation. Installation. Okay. Now we as a company send the technician, send the technician for installation. For installation. And for this, we charge some fixed amount. We charge some fixed amount, some fixed amount for this. Amount for this. Okay. Normally, when you sell the product itself, you will have a agreement with the customer that I am going to charge this fixed amount apart from the product price. Product price, I will charge you this fixed amount for the installation activity. Okay, and then technician will do the installation. Technician completes installation, and then you send the invoice to the customer. Send the invoice to customer. This is installation invoice, the charges for the installation. This is the basically the business scenario. So how to execute this in the system, we will see. Okay. So if you see here this picture, the product is already at customer place. Our technician will go and do the installation. Okay. So the customer, what he does is he makes a phone call to us. I have received the product. Now you send the technician. You will make an appointment. So and so date, so and so time. You will tell it to the customer. I will be sending the technician so and so date, so and so time. He will come and does the installation. Okay. And as per the initial agreement, we are going to charge some fixed amount to you, and later on that we will be sending that invoice. So this is the scenario. So for this one, the first step is you create a notification. The first step will be creation of notification. Okay. So the customer calls our customer care center, CIC, customer information center. They receive the call, accept the call. They will identify the customer first, and using that information they will create a notification is like a what do you call, customer request, customer inquiry, that kind of thing. And then they will end the call. Okay. So this will be done by CIC, customer service agent. Okay. So we will understand what is notification. A notification is created when the need for a service task is identified, or when a completed service activity must be recorded, or when downtime occurred. Okay. Service notifications document service tasks completely and make them available for analysis in the long term. Okay, you can use them for preliminary planning and execution of tasks. Okay, the service notification usually refers to a technical object and contains description of the malfunction or requirements. Okay, Uh, in addition, the data can be entered in the notification to build up the history, for example, damage causes and so on. This I will show it in the system. Okay, starting point for the service process normally is the creation of notification. Normal. Okay, so these are the ones. Why we need to create the notifications? Basically, the notifications. One is entry of incoming customer service request. To enter all the customer service request, whether repair, normal servicing, or whether any installation activity, whatever, you have to enter that in the system using service notification. So once you have these service notifications, you can access the customer information, object information, contracts and warranties from the service notification. Okay, and you can do the follow-up functions. If you have notification, you have a reference document, then you can do monitoring and follow-up actions. Once all are completed, all activities, service activities are completed, you can do the technical completion of the services. Okay, and also you can describe the serviceable items condition also in the notification, and everything you can document in the notification, who has done the servicing, date, times. So those kind of things you can document in the notification. So these are the functions of the notification. Okay, so before starting the notification types, before we go into the system, I'll show you the scenario we have created so far. Okay, and this equipment is installed at this functional location. Okay, now today what we are doing is, today we will do the installation process of this equipment. It is still not installed. That is the reason functional location is empty and the status is available. Already it is at customer site, but installation is not yet done. So suppose if I go to this equipment, if you double click on the equipment, you see here the status is ECUS and AVLB. If you click on the I button, you see it is available but at customer site. Okay, and this equipment is already sold to this customer. Suppose if you go to organization, structure, or customer data, see if you see this equipment is already sold to this customer partner, sold to party. Okay, even if you go to sales and distribution, wait, serialization data tab, wait, there will be another place. Wait, hold on, let me show you. Location, organization, structure, there will be a called sold to party. Okay, so this is a sold to party. So this is a customer to which we have sold the product. Okay, data serialization data tab. That's okay. Okay, so now we will go ahead with the installation process of this equipment. This one. Okay, the first one. Okay, so the first step, as we discussed, the first step is the notification creation. So the customer will call the customer care, informs that I have received the product, now you send the technician for installation. Okay, so now the customer care agent will create a notification. Okay, so he will log that uh, uh, call from the customer in the system using notification. So IW51, this is the D code, create service notification. So select the notification type. So it's like a service request. Let's go ahead with S3 as of now. Okay, don't enter the notification number. Notification number system will assign. Just click on the button, enter.